Welcome guys to this new That White Volvo video. And over there it is. This is a Scheel seat. It's a sporty brand and yeah, I just love it. So let's show you guys. Look at this. This is my new Volvo 240 seat. This is going in the driver's seat, of course, in the driver's seat position. It's a pretty good condition seat. It has one little wear spot over here. That's normal on these seats, of course. They're, yeah, you're gonna sit on them, and when you get in the car, your pants will rip them. So not a big deal. And there is only one little tiny damage hole thing over there. But all in all, it's a pretty decent seat, and it was only 40 bucks. What I did right now, I removed my old brackets that were on the bottom of the seats, and those were from one old Peugeot fan or something. And over here I have actually Wiz's seat frame. So this is the frame of a passenger seat, if I say it correctly. Yeah, it's passenger seat because the driver's seat of a 240 has the up and down adjustments on the front and back. I do want those, but the thing I was figuring out is how I'm gonna get this frame on this seat. So that's a pretty difficult thing, I thought, because this frame is actually bolted on to this complete metal frame on the side. So what I need to figure out is if I just loosen this bolt over here and on the back, can I just remove the bottom part or not? So that's what we're gonna figure out today. We are gonna try to make this seat into my car. And the good thing about this seat is Volvo armrests for a Volvo 240 are costing like 200, 300 bucks a piece. And I got an armrest with this one. So I can just mount the armrest on those two bolts over there. And then I'm done. So I love that. And what we're gonna do now is I think I'm gonna remove my driver's seat first to see if this passenger seat frame will work in that position, if it's high enough and everything. And yeah, we will go on from them. Maybe I can even just take out the brackets of my driver's seat that's in the car right now. That would be much easier. So I will try to make this work today, and I think I'm just gonna use a piece of wood because yeah, I'm a carpenter and I'm making a beautiful table right now. And yeah, I have some spare time, so I thought why not make my seat go in my car. Yeah, I'm really excited for this project and I hope you guys are too. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure That White Volvo grows even bigger and bigger, and then we can buy a brand new car for the channel. Not a brand new car, but an old banger, and we can fix it up again, and that means more videos for you guys and more meetings and more fun stuff. So hit that subscribe button. Come on, hit the subscribe button. Come on. So boys and girls, this is what you need. 30mm socket. And the only thing you need to do to take out a Volvo 240 seat, it's very simple. You have one bolt over here. So we are gonna loosen that. That's one. Then you have one over there. And you have one over here on the bottom and one over there on the bottom, and that's it. So good luck. So we're back inside and it's literally 3 minutes later, and there we have the original seat, and there we have the new seat. So let's get this frame out of the way and let's try. Okay, let's try to get this frame on the new seat. So I'm going to show you guys what I have planned. Over here we have the old seat, and over here we have the new seat. So what my plan was is, I think if I just take out, no, not that one. Oh look, that's what I thought. This frame is different than the other one. So if you want to keep the adjustable seat, you will need to take off this complete bracket. So you need to take off this complete piece, this complete white thing, and put it on there. But the easy part we can do to just test fit this thing is we can try to just take off this bolt over here and this one over there, And in the back we should have another one. Yes, I think. So if we take that bolt, those bolts out, we should just have something like this, like I have over here. This is the old rails. This one is too narrow, so then we just have this, and then I can just fabricate a wooden plate that goes like that, just around here, and then bolt this one onto there and bolt the plate to the chair, and then we have a new car seat. So that's what I've planned right now. So yeah, let's start the time lapse. Let's get this one off, and I will talk you through it and give you the best tips and trick on how to get one of those seats in your Volvo seat position. Let's go. So guys, here it is. This is the seat frame of a Volvo 240 driver seat, and it's a bit dark in here, but yeah, you can see shit. This is the frame, and it's actually a bit, yeah, too narrow, or how you want to see it, call it. It's just a centimeter of the point where it needs to be, so I don't know how I'm gonna fix it. I thought about just making a wooden plate under here and just bolting this onto here and that onto there, and then bolting the original bolts that were in the seat with that frame over there to here. So just a kind of a template to get this one connected to my seat. But the problem I'm having right now is these bolts are very long, and the point is if I just make a plate here, then I can lift up the handle to just the seat. So it's a very thick plate. So guys, my prototype is done. I thought so, and it looked very good, but it's freaking cold outside, and yeah, this is how the seat should be positioned when it's done. And as you can see, here's the bolt and here's my hole. So yeah, that's not very good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this template and I'm gonna make it a whole lot longer. I'm gonna change that gap for this bracket also to the front, and then I'm gonna find a shop that makes it in metal, and then I can shim this one out with some rings, put a nut on that one, then I can use my bolts and bolt it into the seat, and then we're done. So that should be okay. So it was a bit of a pain in the ass to get this thing to fit, and I think I will have some problems maybe with my armrest. I just said that it runs freely, but with the new template it doesn't. So with the metal plate that's going underneath it, even that one is even thinner than the plate that's in right now. So that will cost me around a centimeter, I think, or something. So I don't know if I can use my armrest freely or not, but yeah, we'll see. It's not a priority at all, so yeah, I don't care so much about it, but I do want it inside of there. So let's show you guys. Look at this. And as you can see here, it is free, but it isn't. So yeah, as you can see there, it is free. And it is free now, but with this plate being down another, this will be 3 millimeters of steel, I think. So yeah, we'll see if it works, we'll see if it doesn't, but when I get inside, this just feels so much better than the old seat. The only thing I'm finding out is that it's loose, the rear is loose, so I need to fix that. But the nice thing is that with the armrest I can just shift so easily. It's just so smooth. Nice shoe in the front. So yeah, that's it. Let's get someone to make this plate, and then we'll be done. Then we can bolt this thing in and I have a new seat. And to throw it out there, I really want to make these seats in the color blue of the old interior. So that's something on my wish list, and that's something I'm gonna save up for. And when I'm doing that, I will also be putting in some seat heating with some nice switches, so I can turn this seat on seat heat, and I can that seat on, and then we'll have heated seats in the old Volvo. So that will be an awesome thing. But yeah, for now, this was it. The next video will be, of course, installing the seats when I have that plate made. And yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And what do you think? Do you think it looks cool or not? I think it does. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe, like I said. And I will see you guys on part 2 of this video. Bye bye.